Hello everyone. Myself, Professor Ghodke. I am associated with E&TC Engineering Department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. In this video, we'll see the infrastructures of LPC2148, that is a microcontroller. Uh, First of all, what do you mean by the interrupt? An interrupt is a signal sent to the CPU which indicates that a system event has occurred which needs immediate attention. First of all, what is interrupt request? Interrupt request can be thought of as a special request to the CPU, that is LPC2148, to execute a function small piece of code that is called as the IRQ when an interrupt occurs. Uh, ISR, this function, that is small piece of code, is technically called as interrupt service routing, that is called as ISR. So when an IRQ arrives to the CPU, it stops executing the current code and start executing the ISR. After the ISR execution has finished, the CPU, that is LPC2148, gets back to where it had stopped. We will see here the infrastructures of an LPC2148 with the VIC, that is called as a vector interrupt controller. Here, see here the interrupt vector interrupt controller, and with this along with the LPC2148, we can show here the vector interrupt controller with the features, important features of an LPC2148 vectored interrupt controller. First one is ARM prime cell vectored interrupt controller, 32-bit interrupt request inputs, 16 vectored IRQ interrupts, 16 priority levels dynamically assigned to interrupt request, software interrupt generation. And here we will see the interrupt structures of an LPC2148 along with the ARM7 TDMI. ARM7 TDMI here LPC2148 as a device. The VIC is a component from the ARM prime cell. VIC module is highly optimized interrupt controller. The VIC is used to handle all the on-chip interrupt sources from the different peripherals. Each of the on-chip interrupt sources is connected to the VIC on a fixed channel. Your application software can connect each of these channels to the CPU, that is called as LPC2148 interrupt lines, that is FIQ and IRQ, in one of the three ways. First one is the VIC, that is vectored interrupt controller, allows each interrupt to be handled as a FIQ interrupt, vectored IRQ interrupt, and non-vectored IRQ interrupt. Yeah, see here the figure shows that all the three FIQ, vectored IRQ, and non-vectored IRQ. FIQ is the fastest, followed by vectored interrupt IRQ, with non-vectored IRQ being the slowest. Now here LPC2148 external inputs are for processor and on-chip user peripheral generate interrupts. LPC2148 uses the ARM prime cell, that is the example is PL190 vectored interrupt controller for managing the interrupts. When interrupts occurs, VIC identifies the sources of interrupts, passes request on interrupt request pins as per the configurations. If more than one interrupt occurs at a time, VIC resolves priority and 32-bit interrupt request inputs. LPC2148 uses the 22 out of 32 interrupts. See here, this is the block schematic of the vectored interrupt controller along with the LPC2148. And this is also the very important features of an vectored interrupt controller, that is ARM prime cell vectored interrupt controller. Example is a PL190 along with the SFRs. So VIC INT select here the read write 0 IRQ 1 FIQ. Now VIC INT enable selective interrupt source. Now VIC INT ENCLR, that is disable selective interrupt source. Then VIC IRQ status, that is read only. to know the status of enabled interrupt. Now VIC FIQ status, read only to know the status of enabled FIQ. VIC soft INT to trigger a software interrupt. VIC soft INT clear to clear the software interrupt. VIC vect control to the VIC vect control 15, 10 to 15, assign the interrupt source. Now VIC vector address 0 to VIC vector address 15, assign interrupt address. VIC vector address holds the address of currently active interrupt. Now VIC diff vect address holds the address of non-vectored ISR. So in this way, we will see here the vector interrupt request, that is structures of the interrupt with this LPC2148. Thank you very much for watching this video.